Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. Foggy! Hindi masyadong maganda ang visibility for today. Malamlam ang araw. But you can see there. There. Sumisikat pa rin. Tan. So for today, Lola Mirai will be joining the senior ladies exercise for the second straight day. Masaya ang Lola for today. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa exercise, maglalakad muna ang Lola Mirai and makikipagkwentuhan saglit. Then hoping na after my exercise with the senior ladies, nandyan pa rin kayo at muling mag-join with Lola Mirai with our morning kwentuhan for today. Ang daming mga senior ladies and gentlemen here at the park. Now is 7:30, almost 8 o'clock na, so sikat ang araw. I hope you can see, di ko matingnan mabuti. Ganda, no? So dahan-dahan ang lakad para ma-enjoy nyo din ang ganda ng paligid dito sa tabing dagat. So yung mga dahon na ubos during this season, malamlam ang ating mga puno, but soon spring is coming. So muling babalik ang sigla, babalik ang mga dahon at bulaklak during those times. At yun ang inaabangan din ng Lola Mirai. But for the meantime, let's enjoy. Mahaba na ang buhok ng Lola Mirai, as you have noticed. So one of these days, I will go to the parlor para magkaroon tayo ng hair treatment at konting trimming sa ating hair. Ang Lola, So we have a few minutes break after the first session. So Lola Mirai is waiting for the next session to start in about few minutes. So pupo lang ang Lola. Ganda rito. Now is 3 minutes past 9 a.m. in the morning and biglang ang tindi ng sikat ng araw. So ang Lola Mirai will find a shade para tayo ay makapagkwentuhan for today. Kalbo talaga yung mga puno, can you see? Now is winter, so dito na lang tayo maupo, medyo lilim. As usual, kailangan nakasunglass ang Lola Mirai kasi hindi ko kaya yung sobrang mainit. Anong kwento ng Lola Mirai for today? Siguro year 2025, the beginning of the year, malaking changes, malaking adjustment para sa Lola Mirai ang pag-alis o paglisa ng aming tatay. Of course, iba pa rin talaga kung nandito yung tatay. Kahit sabihin natin na we know already na he will soon come to his end ng buhay niya dito sa mundo, but at the same time mahirap pa rin yung pag-andyan na. Mahirap pa rin na wala yung tatay kasi maraming adjustments na I need to do. Like for example, at 10 a.m. isipin mo, may alarm, ayan na, time to call my tatay. But this time, siguro, time to pray for him. Now, naisip ko na lang na masaya na siya, kasama na yung nanay, and the Lord is so gracious and merciful na all things will be okay and he will be enjoying life in heaven. So, tingnan mo yung paligid, oh, dry na talaga, walang dahon. It's part of the season and I'm looking forward in a few months the spring at muling susulpot yung mga dahon at bulaklak. Can you hear that? Even in the midst of the city, you can hear the sounds of nature, the birds. I don't know what kind of birds that, but can you hear that? Ang saya, di ba? I don't know saan sila. Siguro sa mga puno-puno dito. It's really good to travel, you know. Maraming realization, maraming sa iba't ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tuloy ang ikot ng buhay. Whatever situation, kahit ano pa man yan, lilipas din. Tuloy ang ikot, tuloy ang galaw ng buhay. So mainit na ang lola, preparing to go home. Let's go. May pasok ang lolo today, so tayo lang ang nandito sa park and marami pa tayong gagawin sa house. So laging sinasabi ng Lola Miray na pilitin natin na maging healthy, improve our health, lakad-lakad lang, konting inot-inot lang, and tuloy ang ikot ng buhay. Ganda dito, may mga kahit na past 9 o'clock and still exercising. Some are walking, jogging, do their daily routine of exercise. And di ba masaya 'yon? So, hanggang dito na lamang natin i-end ang ating video for today. Mga lolo, mga lola, nanay, tatay, mga kapatid at kaibigan, salamat sa muling pagsama sa Lola Miray for today's video. Maraming thank you, and hoping that tomorrow will be another day, another blessing, another challenge, another struggle, another blessings from the Lord. So, ingat-ingat everyone. Take care and God bless. Bye. See you on our next video. Bye.